This Welcome to I Love Tunics. This Alberobello tunic is made out of 100% organic cotton. It's got a lovely blue abstract print. It also has pleats at the front and buttons. Now the buttons are usable so you can leave them open or closed. This one here is a bit of round but also V at the entrance there. This one here has also pleats in the sleeves, a little bit unique, and a little ruffle at the end. Now this one here can be worn as a dress, and this is really quite unique. It's made out of a crinkled fabric, so you can twirl this around, crinkle it up and pop it in your luggage as you travel, or just pop it in the drawer. So it's really a non-fuss tunic and very easy to wear. Now this one here is marked as a size 12, and according to our sizing chart it also measures as a size 12 as well, so that's 52 centimeters. The waist on this one is 59 centimeters, and the hip on this one is 66 centimeters. This one here has an armhole of 24 centimeters, and the sleeve width is 19 centimeters. This is also 107 centimeters long, and it goes up by approximately 2.5 centimeters between sizes. Enjoy this, and it's available on ilovetunics.com.